What's up, everybody? I am backstage at Google Cloud Next to share the key takeaways from the Developer Spotlight. First of all, a major theme is how AI agents are fundamentally changing team structures. We're seeing a shift from these massive siloed groups to smaller, adaptable teams. Our friends at KeyBank couldn't have said it better.
Gemini helped our small teams quickly determine what was automatable, what explicitly required human judgment, and exactly where our governance boundaries existed. Because we had that clarity upfront, our team of 5 could move end-to-end autonomously.
Second, it is the context from your code in Google Cloud that helps AI write code tailored to you. We work with any AI developer tool through the Model Context Protocol, or MCP. We saw this in action when Aaron used Claude, agents, and agent skills to help automate the harder parts of the SDLC. Check it out.
Design a CI/CD pipeline that deploys our ADK project as a container to our newly deployed Cloud Run infrastructure.
Yeah, and I want you to watch this part closely as Aaron does it. So with the help of the CI/CD skill, Claude is gonna scan Aaron's local workspace to understand the application context. The session shows you that when you use AI tools with Google Cloud, your developers can handle a greater variety of tasks for full process ownership. Okay, those are just a few highlights, but there's a lot more to see in the Spotlight. And PS, it's basically one giant demo. And we brought one of my favorite developers / magician on stage, so be sure to watch the full recording on the Google Cloud Next website.